Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds, and my name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from Diamond Art Decor. They were kind enough to send me these goodies. So let's start with the one that we can see. I love a good off the canvas item. I find they're fun little projects, especially if you've just finished a big one, or as I've said before, if you have somebody maybe that's come to visit or somebody that's shown a bit of an interest, this can be a way that they can do a little piece of diamond art that is finished quicker than a full painting, see if they like it, etc. But these bookmarks, I know it's not the season, but I thought they were amazing. When you see them done, they look even better. But we have like 2 Christmas trees on bookmarks, which would make some lovely little gifts around that season. You do get a tassel to pop on the bookmark as well. You get a toolkit. Basically, you get everything you need to be able to give it a go. And then the diamonds in this one, they are varied. So we do have some what I call silver or clear rhinestones. We have some like pearlized AB coated yellow ones, red rhinestones, peach rhinestones, a few greens of course, as you'd expect. We've got some teardrops in red, some bigger round pearls in white and in red, orange rhinestones, red rhinestones, some more silver or clear rhinestones, and some yellow stars. So a few different shapes there, as well as the little diamond dots, but that would end up giving you, of course, 2 bookmarks when you're done. Let me get the bits, at least get the bits back in one place. Try and keep all the smaller parts of things together, but they're sweet little ones on what I guess is PU leather, though it smells like leather. It's definitely got the smell of leather, so maybe they are leather. But yeah, so that's the off the canvas item I got. I then have picked up chose a couple of diamond paintings. Diamond painting number 1. Now this, it doesn't actually have black, but it does have a lot of dark colours. What's the dark colour? 939 instead. But it's the image that attracted me to this. Oh yes, there's a lot of 939. It's in bags. But we've just got, of course, an umbrella or a girl under an umbrella, that then the reflection looks like the moon. She's in the rain. We've got a street lamp. Not too much to the image, but I think it has a lovely impact, which is why I chose it. It's down as a 30 by 40. The actual diamond painting area is 25 by 35. It does come with DMC numbers down the side, and it comes with all numbers and then letters, using either white text on the dark colours or black text on the lighter colours, which makes it, of course, easier to see. Canvas and everything looks clear. It is a round diamond painting. You do get a toolkit with it. And there's your colours. Of course, we do have a lot of 939, but then we've got some other gorgeous blues with some pops of yellow, of course, depending on it. I would probably start this painting from the top, just because that's where the most concentrated 939, though there is a scattering, so you can see the G code is 939, but there is a scattering of other colours, so you're not doing huge blocks of the same colour. But the overall look, this is the darkest section, So I would possibly start this one from the top and work my way down so that I've then got a bit more variety down here. But sometimes I just like to start from the bottom, and that's where I start, full stop. So it would probably depend on my mood on the day, or depends on what your favourite is if you were to do it. But yeah, gorgeous colours in there. We even got some peaches and a bit of green in there as well. So that is painting number 1, item number 2, and then we have, if I can get in it, there we go, painting number 2, which is a bigger one. This is also a round, if I remember rightly. Double packaging on this one. And this one has a lot more colour in it. It has 20 colours, but there's definitely a lot more brighter colours in this one. Oh, again, it does come with baggies. It is a round. It's a 40 by 50. And the actual diamond painting area for this one is 35 by 45. So 5 centimetres off for the border, but look at the colours on that one. So we've got an extremely colourful waterfall. It uses letters and numbers. It actually has one that has a yellow number. Rather than being white or black, it's actually yellow on the colour. Just for a little bit of difference. You do get a toolkit with boat wax pen, very standard toolkit. Diamonds are in baggies, but look at the colours in that one. A lot brighter. A nice rainbow image. You've got the rainbow in the water and in effect in, whether you could call that splash or flowers or just the reflection either side. But I love doing a painting that is full of fun colours, and they do come numbered 1, 2, etc. But it does have the DMC codes as well. So if you like to put your diamonds away by DMC code, you can. So that is the selection for today. Thank you so much to Diamond Art Decor for sending me these to share with you all. I will of course pop links in the description down below in case any of them take your fancy, or you can just go and have a browse, because why not? We all like to have a browse. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.